Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Inspect the mouse connector and get an adapter or USB-C cable if needed. Make sure the mouse is powered on and charged so the Mac can detect it immediately. Plug the mouse directly into a MacBook Air USB-C port rather than through an unpowered hub. This reduces variables. Once connected, wait a few seconds for macOS to recognize the device. If you see a light or feel response, move to settings to confirm basic functionality. Once the mouse is plugged in, open System Settings and go to Mouse to confirm macOS detects it. Adjust tracking speed and scrolling behavior there. If programmable buttons or gestures don't work, install the manufacturer's macOS driver or firmware update. Those add features beyond the system defaults. For a deeper check, open About This Mac, click System Report, then USB to verify the mouse shows up on the bus. This tells you whether the Mac sees hardware versus a software conflict and guides the next troubleshooting move. Now test cursor movement and every button across a browser and a text editor to ensure consistent input. Make adjustments in mouse settings for comfort. If the mouse doesn't respond, stop and try a different USB-C cable or another MacBook port to rule out a bad cable or port. Once done, update macOS and the mouse firmware, reboot the Mac, and recheck System Report. One key troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, swap in a known good cable or adapter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.